Are you ready?
I'm freaking out!
We're gonna have the best day ever.
And I'm your host, Jose Cedeño, aka the most handsome man in this show, and that is because I'm the only one.
The only one, you guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe. As always, we are back at Silverwood Theme Park, this time at Boulder Beach.
That's right, because it's round 2. Last time it was all about the roller coasters and all that stuff. This time it's about water, and
then why are you not in your swimsuit?
That's right. Wow, you look about the same.
You know, I was born ready. I came to a water park wearing my swimsuit.
Okay, I think it's time to have fun.
Let's go!
Are you ready?
Today we are at Boulder Beach Water Park, which is our 25-acre water park at Silverwood Theme Park. We have water slides, we have lazy river, we have 2 wave pools, and we just had a big expansion last year called the Emerald Forest, which has the country's longest dueling water coaster. Eagle Hunt is the water coaster, and it was voted by USA Today as the best water coaster in the United States. And what a water coaster is that's different is it has jets that propel you uphill, so more like a roller coaster. And as you go down, and then it has these big discs that generate speed. It's been a hit with our guests. If you're traveling from Western Washington, we always recommend 2 days to come to spend time at the park. There's a lot to do. We have over 70 rides and attractions. We have a lot of people that they come for a day in the water park and they go for a day over at the theme park, but both are connected. So you can go back and forth all day long. You get the theme park, you get the water park, all with one ticket. It is a very affordable option for a true theme park experience. But really it's all about memories, making fun memories with your family away from devices or anything that will distract you.
Jordan, thank you so much as always. We are ready to go. I'm feeling the heat.
We are. Somebody looks like he's not ready, but he will be ready very soon. And let's get this party started.
Eagle Hunt, here we come.
First ride of today.
There we are.
Oh, hold on, let me get in. Like this.
Never been on a water roller coaster. That was so much fun.
Well, there's not that many of them. It's the only one in the Northwest.
That makes sense. We are now going on Avalanche Mountain. It sounds intense.
It sounds fun. It's very fun.
Coming in hot. I liked it.
Not that I want to, but which water ride you think is going to be the one that's going to slightly scare Kelly?
I would have to say Velocity Peak, which is our straight down speed slide, 55 miles an hour on nothing but swimsuit.
Let's make sure we do that one today.
Oh my God. We're gonna float the lazy river, maybe grab a drink and float at the same time. We're gonna have the best day ever.
Chill with a drink. 1 to 10, how lazy is this river? You're a bunch of lazy kids, that's what you are. What are you drinking, Kelly?
I am drinking the Blue Wave. It has huckleberry vodka in it, blue raspberry, and pineapple Malibu rum. It looks delicious.
It does look delicious, but mine's delicious and cooler. It's called Jamaica Me Crazy. Yeah, it has a mix of strawberry, a mix of pina colada.
Oh.
And of course, if it's Jamaican, has to have rum. So far, we've been having fun as friends. This is the time that we're gonna become slightly competitive.
I know how to win this one.
Oh, one thing is for sure, we all going down. And we know who's the loser. All right, we're gonna stop the video just for a bit because last video that we did about roller coasters, there was one that we missed. Which one was it, Kelly?
It was Tremors, and I hear this one got a seismic upgrade.
All right, Kelly.
Game on.
It's Tremor time.
Tremors is a classic roller coaster for us. It opened in 1999, so it needed a little love. What we did is we contracted with our friends down the street at Rocky Mountain Construction, and they have a new track system that smooths the whole thing out. It's just a better experience for everybody.
That was by far my favorite roller coaster here. It was so smooth.
Yeah, it was.
So fast.
So fast. And we even got like a little local lens family gift.
Look at that family photo. Perfect for a Christmas card.
Just kidding. It's time to go to the water park again. Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, what's next?
Wave pool.
Surfing time.
Oh, here goes the light. So, how you feeling, Kelly? Kind of cool, right? Wow, you really went big on this one.
This is the best whippy dip ever. This is my dream. Soft serve ice cream I actually call a whippy dip. That's a Midwest thing. I got 50-50 vanilla and chocolate. What'd you get?
I got the huckleberry. Oh. Can I try yours?
I'm here working and Kelly's just munching that ice cream over there.
Thank you so much for watching another Local Lens Seattle. As always, if you like it, hit that like and subscribe and follow us on our next adventure because you truly never know what we're gonna do. But before we go, what was everyone's favorite part of today? Jordan?
Avalanche Mountain is always my favorite.
Oh, that was nice. I really liked Eagle Hunt. Eagle Hunt
yes.
was a fave for sure.
Eagle Hunt, and I actually did enjoy the lazy river.
That was good.
Because I got a drink. It was the Jamaica me crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Sure was.
You really were in your element.
I was. I had fun. But I do want to say thank you, Jordan, for having us one more time. Yeah.
Yes. Silverwood Theme Park is now maybe our second home, potentially.
Can it be the first one?
Okay.
Yeah, come on
Let's do
back.
that, yeah.
Come on back.
Who knows, you might be back. Seriously though, thank you so much. And thank you to you all for watching and bye. Bye.
Bye.
And now for a little redemption. Aftershock round 2, this time hopefully without a passing out moment. Okay, bye for real now.